Good morning, Around the House with Kay and Tom. I have some apples that I need to cook before they're no longer good. So I am going to make an apple crunch. And we'll just see how it turns out. I've got 4 apples. I got 3 Fuji ones and 1 Pink Lady. So we're going to use 4 apples. I know you only see 3 because I've cut up 1. We're going to use sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon, Quaker Oats, and a ½ cup of soft butter. And I've had this out trying to get it soft. So what I need to do first is it says to cut your oven on to 350 and let it be heating up, and to grease your pan. It says a 9 by 13 dish. I didn't really want to make one this big, but that's okay. We'll do it for today and give away the rest. What I'm going to do is just spray my dish and set it aside. There you go. And I use olive oil today. So we're going to get our apples cut up, peeled, and sliced up. And I'll go here and turn on my stove to 350. I really wanted to cook it in my Ninja, but I don't have a dish that will fit in my Ninja except for a smaller dish. And this recipe, I'm going to have to cook it in the bigger dish. So we'll have to go in the oven. So we're just going to peel these and slice them up. Just thought I'd fix something different today. So what we need to do now, I forgot, we're going to use Jiffy apple cinnamon mix. We're going to use a ½ cup of sugar, just regular old sugar. Get all your apples and your sugar, coat it together real good, and put them in your 9 by 13 pan. Casserole. I got just a casserole dish, and just sort of spread them out a little bit. Boy, they smell good just like that. Now we're going to combine our muffin mix, apple cinnamon muffin mix. We need 3/4 of a cup of oats. I've got 3/4 cup of Quaker Oats. Mix it in with your apple cinnamon muffin mix. And we need 3/4 cup of brown sugar. I've got 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Get it all mixed together. Make sure you get it mixed together real good. Take your apples with your cinnamon and sugar, and we're just going to pour this right on top of our apples, and spread it over our apples. To just cut up the butter and crumble it on top. So we'll just cut it in little pieces. One thing about it, I've never made this before, so if it doesn't turn out like we think it might turn out, we'll always redo it over. Okay, that was 1/4. And it says half. We're going to put it in the oven at 350 and bake it for 40 to 45 minutes. And like I say, I really wished I had a dish that was this big that would fit in there. Fit in my Ninja. I've got a smaller one. Next time I might just cut down the recipe and cook it in the Ninja, because the Ninja is just so much easier to me. Okay, that is all it is to it. Sugar, cinnamon, oats, brown sugar, and butter. So we're going to put it in the oven and cook it for 40-45 minutes. I'm a firm believer in my little timer, so I've got it set for 40 minutes, and I've got it in the oven at 350. So what I've used, a box of Jiffy apple cinnamon muffin mix, Quaker Oats, 3/4 cup of Quaker Oats, half a cup of plain sugar, a teaspoonful of cinnamon, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, it says firmly packed, and a half a cup of butter, soft. Spray your dish, cut up your apples. I used 6 cups of sliced apples. You could have used a little bit more, but that's all the apples I had. Well, this really looks good. Smells good. It's got the whole house smelling good. I'm going to put a little bit in a bowl just to see what it's like. But I know it's so hot I can't eat it right now. But let's just see what it's like when you cut into it. Looks very good. Just as soon as it cools off, I'm getting ready to eat it. I think this would really be great with some like vanilla ice cream on top of it. Apples are real good done. That's good. Quaker Oats, sugar, brown sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, and your apple cinnamon Jiffy mix. Around the house with Kay and Tom. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll try it, and we'll give me your comments and come back to see me. Has a very good taste to it. Still a little warm, but it's got a good taste to it. Ice cream would really make it well. Maybe Cool Whip, but I think ice cream would set it off. Again, around the house, Kay and Tom, give me your comments and come back to see me.